Let me show you what $625,000 can buy you in the Florida Keys. This is 28 Tarpon Avenue in Key Largo, Florida, one of our listings. So the cottage sits on its own lot, but that's not all. You also have an additional lot of 5,250 square feet on one side, and you have another lot on the other side of 5,250 square feet. All three lots are buildable. The possibilities are definitely endless. What are some of the endless possibilities you can do here? You can build 2 new houses on either side of the cottage, or you can knock the cottage down and build your dream home here. With my contractor's license, I can help you explore all those endless possibilities. So what do you do with your boat? Right down the street from the property is one of the best homeowners parks in Key Largo. It's bayfront, offers its own ramp with parking area, and also offers 72-hour dockage. To explore all your options with this property, contact me, Pete Riveiro, with the Firm Realty Group. And as always, proudly selling the keys to the world.